What's up, guys? This is day 4 of my trading journal. Sorry, this is day 5, sorry. And I'll be doing an end of the week analysis. In case I wasn't really active last week. So I'm going to be reviewing and analysis and analyzing what happened last week in order to predict what might want to happen this week. So without further delay, let's just go right in. This video is going to be a little bit long, so you guys just bear with me. So yeah, as you guys already know, my name is Donna, and let's get right into it. So I've already marked out my vertical tool here to separate last week from the upper last week. Let's head to the weekly time frame and see what's up there. Okay, so here's the weekly time frame. As you can see, market is bullish on the weekly time frame. Market is so bullish on the weekly time frame. I don't usually make analysis here. I just come to the weekly time frame to know the overall chart for intraday trader or investors. As you can see on the weekly time frame, market is bullish here. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Gold usually open on Monday 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. in Nigerian time, and as you guys can see, gold opened bearish last week after price took out this high with little to no wick. Gold opened and broke the structure. This is a break of structure. Now this is a break of structure in a change of character way. So gold came back to like a, what should I call this, a breaker block. I don't know if you guys are aware of that word, a breaker block. Yeah, gold came back to a breaker block here. This is a breaker block. This was supposed to be like a demand. Imagine price took out this with an impulse. Imagine price tapped in and go back up here, but price didn't. Instead, price broke it and gave us a change of character from here. So we are anticipating price to come back to it. Now your target should be here. If I saw this, my target would have been here. This is an easy win. It's easier said than done though. This is an easy way. You can just put your stop loss there, but knowing me, I won't take this. This is not even up to like 3 RR. Now with this, price tap into my point of interest here. Now I will go to the 15 minutes time frame to look for something incredible that will give me a good RR. Okay, this is nice. This is dope. As you can see here, price, this is the first touch, dip back, another touch, dip back. So I don't really think I have any entry here. Now we have a break. After this touch, we have a sweep here. Oh shit, sorry, this is not the thing I want to bring out. We have a sweep of liquidity here, a sweep here, and after that sweep we have a change of character to the downside. The same thing that happened here, a sweep and a change of character to the downside. Now we have a change of character to the downside. Here is an interesting place to take a trade. There's something interesting here that you can actually take a trade from here. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, or even the 3 minutes time frame, gold gives a lot of opportunities. Okay, where are you? Okay, there you are. Now you can see you can equally use this. If you don't want to use this, you can use this. Price touches this zone a lot of time. See, this is an easy one. Not that easy, you just have to get your eyes to adjust to distance. Price came, touch it, go up, swipe this, go back up, touch it again, then go back up, then broke it with an impulse, Then price came back, we touched again. Now this would have been my entry if I was looking at the charts, and my stop loss should be above. Sorry guys. Yeah. Then my target will be, we already have a target in the 1 hours time frame. We have a target in the 1 hours time frame. One thing I don't like about TradingView is that once you're here, you still have to like keep clicking back. We should be able to have like a future whereby the time frame I'm in, that's the place I'm stopping. But yeah, I don't know, maybe it's like that for premium users. So as you can see, my entry is here, and this gave me like a good 4-hour trade, more than 4 hour. This is 4.65 4 hour, a good trade actually. So price kept dumping, you see this price dump. I'm very sure this was news this week here. This used to be a candlestick, then sellers push it back down. I'm very sure this is news doing. There's pretty much nothing to do here. We have a break of structure to the downside, another break of structure to the downside. Now this break of structure is not somehow valid. Why? Because price is reacting off of a zone here. There is a zone price is reacting for, because we checked the weekly time frame earlier, and we know that weekly time frame is bullish here. So price is reacting off of something here, and we already have a change in market sentiment here. Let me put it to the line chart. You guys will see that, okay, as you can see, this is a clean change in market trend. This should be my next entry, because this also serves as like a support and resistance zone. Price touched, go back up, touched, go back up, touched, and broke through. I'm anticipating price to come back to this zone and put it back to the candlestick chart. Anticipating price to get back to this zone. Entry should be here. An entry can be made here. You can actually set a limit order here and target this high. That is a beautiful 5-hour trade. But what I'll be doing is wait till price retrace to this zone. Let me set my alarm here. Sorry, my alert. Okay, when price get to this zone, I'll be notified. Then I'll look for a lower time frame entry like I did with this. So once price get there, when I get my desired lower entry, my target will be here. So that's that on that. I'm sorry guys if I'm skipping. You guys just seriously need to bear with me. With time, I'm going to understand this more, and I don't want this video too long to bore you guys. So yeah, that is that on today. Bitcoin, I don't even want to go to Bitcoin. Maybe I might upload a video about Bitcoin tomorrow. That's all. Sorry, that's all on the end of the week review. If you were trading last week, that's just the thing about trading. You have to have patience. How many of us are going in 5 trading days out of the days we have in the trading week? We have just 5 days. So how many of us would have waited just to take one trade in 5 days? Normally, honestly speaking, I would have, if I'm trying to like rush a trade, I would have lost. Honestly, I would have lost a lot, because I would have tried to like make some entry from here and try to sell off from this zone. See, price took us out from this zone, came back here. So yeah, just patient. The true patience. Sorry, what am I even saying? To be a trader, you also have to learn how to be patient. Everything is not always about technical analysis. You also need to learn how to be patient, like very, very patient. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank me. Thank you. Thank everyone that is watching. You guys go back to your charts and do some stuff in it. I haven't actually discussed what my strategy is. I really don't think it's up to me to discuss that because I myself is still analyzing and trying to get better. So I don't even want to like teach for now. Yeah, when things set, when things get the way I want them to be, I might actually start explaining what my strategy is and how I trade them. I execute my trade. But for now, let's just stick to the trading journal we are doing. That will be all for today, guys. Have a great week ahead. Peace out.